So here in this question, first we calculate the effective effective stress is sigma dash, and that is 19.6 into 10 minus 9.8 into 7.5, and that comes out to be 122.425 kilonewton per meter square. Then we calculate the end bearing capacity of the pile. The end bearing capacity can be calculated using alpha into sigma dash, and that is 9 into 122.425, that is 1101.825 kilonewton per meter square. Then we calculate the shaft resistance of the pile. The shaft resistance is beta into sigma dash into AS, where AS is the surface area of the pile, that is pi into D into